Welcome to the channel. So we bought a new truck. Stay tuned to see what we got and follow the work we do to transform it. And here it is, a Toyota Hilux. So our previous vehicle, the Steed, is what we used to start our overlanding. But we realised that the frame that we had the tent on just wasn't strong enough, and it broke shortly after we got back from our trip. So here's the day we bought the Hilux. So we brought it home, gave it a good clean up and inspection, checking everything out. You can see it's got the ARB bumper already installed. The snorkel, the 2-inch lift and the tow bar. And so the work begins on the transformation. Here we start the build for the aluminium canopy. This is the base plate that will go onto the back of the truck. We used mild steel square tubing and measured everything up. Lots and lots of welding and grinding and preparation for the frame. Here we just tried it for size and it fits very well. And this is the frame complete with its red oxide. The aluminium sheets being prepared, ready to the top of the frame. Lots of rivets to secure the sheets onto the frame. And here we're preparing the holes for the locks, the latches that go on the gull wing doors. Decided to spray the wheel arches black. Just to make it look a little bit better. And we also sprayed the grille and the logo. Here's one of the gull wing doors, just finished and ready to go onto the canopy with the others. You can see everything is riveted in place and sealed so that it's weatherproof. Just making some brackets for the gas struts for the doors. And so the next part of the transformation is respraying the paintwork, and this is the before pictures. And here the paintwork has been sanded down in preparation. Just getting everything ready for the primer. and here all taped up and masked up, ready for the spray painting to begin. So if you'd like to see the Hilux with the new colour and the canopy on and the rest of the work to prepare for overlanding, then please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.